Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check talent tree of any hero you want in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open your Dota 2 via the Steam client and then click on Heroes, which is right over here. So here's the list of all the heroes available right now in Dota 2. For example, let's say I want to see Alchemist's talent tree. To do that, all you need to do is click on Alchemist, and then there's a tree icon right here. This is the talent tree of the hero. I'm going to show you another example. Let's say I want to see Morphling's talent tree. Just click on Morphling, and here's the talent tree of the Morphling. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention this in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!